So the Apple iPhone 11 has become one of the most contradictory launches of the year 2019. The company has its own identity when it comes to design, but it looks like the iPhone 11 is lacking that imagination. I mean, even the Huawei Mate 20 Pro admires a much better camera placement. At the same time, we shouldn't ignore this upgrade, as for the 2019, we're getting what we really expect from the next gen iPhones. This will help the company to maintain a gap between all those 2019 flagship smartphones and the top of the line iPhone. Now, if you're seriously pissed off with this, I must tell you that this is only a render based on some very first engineering stage, and things may change until official launch. Also, if this happens by any chance, you'll get used to this, as the iPhone 11 will have a special touch on the back, kinda like the S10's approach. I find it necessary for Apple to take some steps for a new design with a very proper look, as we have started getting smartphones with a gradient look, S-curve, a matte finish, etc. Additionally, to give us solid confirmation for the next gen iPhones, I have some information out of this report. And yeah, the 2019 iPhone release is again a 3-bundle pack. There will be a successor to the iPhone XR alongside 2 with OLED. Now, you must be thinking about this decision related to the iPhone XR, as it's not doing so well, but again, Apple has made this decision at a very early spot and now it cannot be opposed. However, the 2 OLED models is an indication of a complete shift in the near future. According to the same report, the 2020 iPhone lineup will adopt the OLED technology, leaving behind the LCD panels completely. This sounds like a possible strategy, as this range is still at an early stage of planning, so it's easy to make some good changes. For the 2019 iPhones, we will be getting at least one premium model with a triple camera setup, while the other 2 will continue with the same camera strategy. I actually expect an iPhone with a smaller notch, a design like this, and a lot more that may not come to this premium series. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.